what we're going to do now is we'll bring in a wipe and in this particular one we're going to do some double keying, and what I want to do is I just want to drop it right in between the end of our intro and the beginning of the commentary. So first of all, I'm just going to copy all that, and nearly got everything. I press Control, that will get it. So now, grab that as well, and we'll just drag everything up. So it's fairly flush, almost flush with the end of the intro, and here's what we're seeing. So, and that will transition nicely into the first section of the footage. What I'll also do is we'll just bring a sound effect in and bring this guy. I might just go into the media editor just for a tick here, drag it into there, and there's our whoosh. Go back into here, and I just want to drop him just down on this next track here. This mouse of mine's fairly sensitive. So go back into the media pool, there's the whoosh, just drop it underneath there, and that will get that. Okay, so that's going to look pretty good, but what we want to do is we want to key out the black and the green. So once again we go into our color area and got this selected. Now for this one we want to key out the black first and then we'll key out the green. So once again we go to nodes, add a serial node, right mouse click, add an alpha output, drag the arrow to the alpha output, get our color picker and reverse that, and there we can see the black's gone, we've still got the green, and that's going to look really good. So now what we want to do is key out the green. So for that we choose the color picker plus, we click on the green, and here we'll just increase the clean black, and we'll also decrease the out ratio. If we increase the clean black too much, we'll end up removing too much of our effect. See it there. See how that disappears just by itself, so we don't want all that disappearing. So this is where we just play around, have a look at our effect. And hard to see there, but there's our screenshot, it's coming in, whereas we just want it to come in at about there, so it completely dissolves into the new shot. So what we'll do is we'll just select this, press the Command or Control key, and we'll just move that a little to the left. As a matter of fact, and that should look good. So let's go back to here. Alright, and once that's rendered, that'll look really good. Now the beauty of doing that there is that now we just copy. So I'll just Command or Control C, and we'll go into here. Now if I paste that straight away, it's going to go over the audio. So what I want to do is just drag that up to there. And now drop that over the top. Alright, so we've got a little bit of coughing and spluttering there, which we don't need. So just move these points, it should come in nicely. To begin with, we open it. Okay. Just move that up to there, line that up. Select both of these and drag them back. Now, you just alright, so we've come in just a little bit early there. And what we might do also is just add a little bit of a crossfade onto this. Just fade the vocal in. To begin with, we open up DaVinci Resolve. There we go, there we have our intro, and we'll be ready to introduce our next section.